Oh, hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Please, if you're in the class, indicate you're there. Nakendewo. Sorry, the first link is not giving me what I wanted in terms of the mic work. I don't know why the mic is giving me problem. It does not respond as I expected. So I assume that it's not working well. Please confirm if you can hear me very clearly. Nake. Okay, very well. I hope others will be able to locate me with this new link because the first one, it does not show me that it's going to work well. So I have to do another link. So I do hope others will be able to locate the new link now. I've sent it in our WhatsApp platform. I do hope they will see it and be able to join us through there. So let's hope that they find it and they find us here now. I don't know what is wrong with the mic. It doesn't, the scheduled classes is not picking the mic. I don't know why. So let's wait and hope that more people will be able to join us now. I'm expecting Soibi, okay, to join. Let me see. I need to copy this and take it to our Telegram group also. Let me take it to Telegram group. Okay. Okay. We are waiting. We are waiting for others to come in. We are waiting, hoping they will come in now. So we can start. Okay. I have C for cat. And the first time you are joining our live class, C for cat, you're welcome to class. There you go. I have Princess Ezenwa coming in now. Princess No. Who else is in the class? Okay. All right, Dr. Blahi is in here now. The class is getting filled up. That's right. That's nice. Dr. Blahi, no. C for cat, no. I would wish to have your real name. I know because we like calling people by name during our live classes. So if you will do us a favor, C for cat, to give us your real name, we will appreciate that. And then being that this is the first time you are joining our live class, you will do well to tell us where you are joining from, which part of the world are you joining from, US, UK, Canada, anywhere, Asian country, where are you? One C for cat, Texas, US, great. Okay, is one name your name, because this one name seems to be a general thing. One name is a brother, yes. So when you wrote one name, I think that is a generic name for all of us. We are brothers and sisters. So one name, okay. My name is it's my name. Okay, your name is actually one name. Wow, that's great. One name. I love that kind of name. A brother, indeed. So with this number we have now, we will do well to start our class. We won't wait further because our time is actually 2. And those who are here by this time are those who are serious with the class. We can't keep them waiting while others are yet to join the class. So we need to respect your own time. So we go ahead with the class right away. Excuse me. Go ahead with the class. We won't wait any further. So, all right. So, no, everybody, no mad needed. So, no is how we say welcome, no, in Igbo language. So, if I say no to you, what do you say to me? How do you respond? I said again, no, one day. How do you respond? How do you respond? Let me see those who can respond properly. No, one day. Okay, when I say one day, I mean all of you, brothers and sisters. They will see, one day said they will, that's great. Who else has any other opinion? No. Dahalo, that is Mazin Nake, that's wonderful. Dahalo, okay, can say they will, Dahalo, okay, that is great. These are options, okay, and they are all fine. Today we've been doing this for some time. Actually, in this live class, what we do is to give ourselves a chance to practice what we have learned over time and see how much we are making progress in the Igbo language learning. We may have been watching videos and listening to Igbo phrases and tenses and everything here and there. But in live class, we task ourselves to think and then see how much we can relate to that and then interpret it. And that's what we do in the live classes. So while you watch the videos, it's fine, but in live class, you test yourself, know the level you have been able to grow in this journey. So you are welcome to class. Been doing this for a while, and our rule remains the same. I'm going to make Igbo sentences and then expect you to translate it. You listen to me, hear me say it, and see whether you understand what I said, and translate it to English as much as you can to prove that you understood exactly what I said in Igbo language. Today we are doing a little conversation around complaints and conflicts, complaints and complaint resolution. Let's deal with that and see how much we can resonate with that. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. So, anyị na-ekwu gbasara esemokwu taa na ikpe udo. That is what I've just said. I'm going to write that in Igbo because of those of you who takes notes during class. Anyị, okay, Anyị, this is my keyboard of I, It's beginning to fail me. I don't know why it's doing like that. Okay, I don't know. It's not responding properly. Okay. Anyị ga-ekwu gbasara, that is about esemokwu na ikpe udo. Anyị ga-ekwu gbasara esemokwu na ikpe udo. That is, we will talk about conflicts or quarrel and resolution as much as we can. Are we ready to go with this? Ready to go? I didn't get Princess everyone. No. Let me mention all your names. Who came? Nake came first of class, followed by C for cat, one, followed by Princess, followed by Dr. Ablahi. Those are the ones I come here. Okay, Clement Emehe has already joined the class also. Clement, no. It's like we're already having almost a full house. Let's move. I'm still expecting, what is her name? Sherry Mango, so I expect her to be here. So let's go. And then we begin now with the first sentence. The first one is, O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. What did I say? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Don't write what I said in Igbo. Don't bother about that. I'm going to do that myself. You just try to listen to me, understand what I said, write the meaning in English. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Let's go. Okay, one day has written. That's great. One day has written. One day seems to be prepared for this class very much. Okay, who else is trying that? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Who is giving a different opinion on this? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Any other option? Any other opinion on this? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Princess, he is giving me trouble. Good effort. Any other opinion on this? Yes, I want as many options as possible so that we can know which one is the best. Yes, o nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Let's go. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. I have two options here from one Nessie for cat and then Princess Ezenwa. Any other option? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Any other option? Didn't Nake say there is singing giving me trouble? Nake, I hope that's what you meant to write. I hope it's not a typo. There is singing. Okay, is that really what you mean? Okay, okay. I guess as more that should be a typo. Okay, there is something giving me trouble. C for car, there is something giving me problem. Whether you wrote trouble or problem, they are all correct. Princess, he is giving me problem. No, that's not what I said. O nwere ihe, there is something. So C for cat is right, Nake is right. O nwere ihe, there is something. O nwere ihe, na-enye m, giving me problem. So let me write the Igbo sentence as it should be. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Right. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. That's exactly what I said. And you guys are right. There is something giving me problem. Now I'm talking with you now. What are you supposed to ask me? What should be your question to me if I say there's something giving me problem? O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. What will be a reaction? React to me in Igbo language. React to me, to that sentence in Igbo. You are taught now. Let me know how you think. When I say there's something giving me problem, ask me a question in Igbo. O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Respond to that in Igbo. What will be your response to that? Okay, see for car say, okay, Igbo. Good effort. I want more of this. Well, how do you respond to me? Gini na-enye gị nsogbu. Nake, great one. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Clement, where are you? Princess, where are you? How do you respond to that, my sentence? How do you react to me when I say, O nwere ihe na-enye m nsogbu? Two people have reacted to that. C for cat. Princess, C for cat is still writing. Okay. Gịnị bụ ihe na-eme ya? Okay. That's good effort. Still good, still good. Who else is responding to that? Princess, waiting for you. Princess is in. Gịnị bụ ị na-enye gị nsogbu? Okay. Gịnị bụ ị na-enye gị nsogbu? Good effort, good effort. Clement, where are you? Are you in the class? Dr. Ablahi, I hope you are in the class. I hope you are in the class, Dr. Ablahi. I want to see your response on this. Let's go. I want to see your response on this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, Clement is in. Gịnị ihe na nsogbu gị? Good effort. Doctor, where are you? Dr. Ablahi, I've not heard from you. Drop your response. Okay, let me look at those people who have responded. C for cat and take your second response as your actual response, which is Gịnị bụ ihe na-eme ya? Okay, you said, what is doing it? That is what you wrote. C for cat. What is doing it? And then let me see Nake. Gịnị na-enye gị nsogbu? Perfect one. Gịnị, what? Na-enye gị is giving you nsogbu, problem. That is a perfect response. Okay, so gịnị na-enye gị nsogbu? Very perfect. What is giving you problem? Gịnị na-enye gị nsogbu? What is giving you problem? You can also ask, what is that? Princess wrote, Gịnị bụ ị na-enye gị nsogbu? I think Princess wanted to write ihe na-enye gị. That is what I was looking for. That place you wrote I should be ihe, the thing. What thing? Gịnị bụ ihe? What thing? What is the thing? That is what you should be, Princess. Clement, gịnị ihe na nsogbu gị? Not very perfect. So, apart from what Nake wrote, which is correct, gịnị na-enye gị nsogbu? What is giving you problem? You can as well write, gịnị, don't mind my eye. My eye should have dot under. I don't know what is happening to my keyboard. So you should have dot under. You can as well ask, Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? That could also be the question. Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Simple. What is that? What is that? What is that then? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Okay. Just as is also correct when Nake wrote, Gịnị na-enye gị nsogbu? What is giving you problem? But you can as well shorten it and say, what is that? Okay. Then let me respond to that. Onye agbata obi na-eme mkpọtụ. Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Let's go. What did I say? Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Go ahead and write what I said in English language. Let's go there. That is what is giving me problem. Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Let's go there. Let's go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Who is shooting first? C for cat. You want to take first again. Who is shooting first? Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Let's go there. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay. Waiting. Who takes first now? C for cat is coming in strong. Okay. Nake is taking first now. Okay. I keep it to myself. You have said something. Okay. Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Let's go. Princess is in. Okay. 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 Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. That's good. We have Nake. We have Princess. C for cat. Where are you? Emehe, where are you? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Who else is in the class? Let's go there. Two responses. Where are the rest, guys? C for cat is in. No idea. That's fine. You're going to have idea right now. That's why you are in the class. You are in the class to share idea with other people, to learn from other people. You must be sure that once you come to class, you must be better when you are leaving the class. You must learn new things. This is my assurance. You learn from me, you learn from other students in the class. Okay? The person is disturbing me. Oh, that's good. Good trier. Good trier. That's better than saying no idea. Better than saying no idea. Okay, Princess is coming again. This time around, my neighbor is making noise. Better. All right, Dr. Blahi. Onye atobi m na-eme. Dr. Blahi, don't write the Igbo. I am the one to write the Igbo sentence. Write what you understand from what I said in Igbo. Write it in English to show that you understood the Igbo I spoke. Write in English. Simple. I will write the Igbo myself. Correct way it should be written. Onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Okay, Clement is writing, people coming in my compound na-eme. Good effort, good try, but not perfectly done. All right, let's go there. Let me mark the script now. First, who answered first? Nake, did you run out again from what you said before? Nake. Okay, Nake has withdrawn his first answer and came in last. So I'm going to mark your own last because it's like you are borrowing an idea from other people to make corrections. So the first person now is C for cat. And he wrote, the person is disturbing me. Near to that. Okay, let's find out who is that person. I call the person Onye Abataobi. So Princess wrote, my neighbor is making noise. Winner has emerged. Princess is the winner. Onye Abataobi is my neighbor. Neme mkpọtụ is making noise. Okay? Now why Clement wrote, people coming in my compound, not people, onye agbataobi, I'm particular about somebody. Okay? And then Nake has done his correction. My neighbor is making noise. Okay? So, onye agbataobi, Princess got it first. My neighbor is making noise. So let me write the Igbo sentence. Onye agbata obi, okay, na-eme mkpọtụ. So, onye agbata obi m na-eme mkpọtụ. My neighbor is making noise. So, C for cat, you know what is abatobi now? Abatobi is neighbor. Abatobi, neighbor. Is that clear? Okay, and because that's what you don't actually understand here. Abataobi is neighbor. So onye abataobi is a person that is in my neighborhood. Na-eme mkpọtụ is noise. Okay, na-eme mkpọtụ, present continuous. Na-eme. Once you see na dash something else is present continuous. Okay, but when you see ga dash continuous becomes is making noise. Okay, will make. Ga is for future. Ga-eme, ga-ga, ga-eri, ga-asị. Ga is for future. Why? Na. Followed by a verb is present continuous. Na-eme mkpọtụ. Excellent. Let's go. And somebody asks, ụdị mkpọtụ ole? Ụdị mkpọtụ ole? Or let me put it this way. Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? That's the sentence now. Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? Let's go. Shoot. Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? Let's go there. Shoot it now. Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? Okay. Please let us welcome C for Cats. Is a new student, a new family member. Do help me to say welcome to C for Cat. That is one name. Do help me to say no, C for Cat, but his name is one name. Okay, please help us welcome him to class. This is the first time he joined our live class after subscribing. Okay, please do help me to welcome him. Thank you for doing that. Gịnị na-eme ya? Gịnị na-enye ya? That is what I said. Gịnị na-enye ya? Gịnị na-enye ya nsogbu? Okay, I have C for cat. I have Princess in. Okay, who is taking third position? Nake. Nake is in. Clement, where are you? Dr. Blahi, Clement is in. Okay, Dr. Blahi, where are you? Where are you, Dr. Blahi? Where are you? Let's go there. Clement is in. Remaining Dr. Blahi, for those I'm sure they are in the class. Okay, Dr. Blahi is in. What he does do to give you problem. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. So I can mark the script now. Everybody has already come in. I have C for cat, Princess, Nake, Clement, Ablai. Anybody else in the class? I don't think, except those I don't know about. Okay, C for cat wrote, what's giving them trouble? Almost there. But when I say gini ne ya, that ya is not them. If I had said gini ne ha, ha becomes them, plural. But when it is ya, it is either him or her or it, singular pronoun. That's talking to C for cat now. So if you had written what's giving him or her trouble, you'll be very perfect. Okay, but not them. Hope that is taken. Princess, what is giving him trouble? Excellent. First position, again, princess. Well done, bravo. Isike. Nake, what's giving him or her trouble? Excellent. Gotten also. Clement, what gives it problem? Okay. Remember, it is not it because we are talking about neighbor, a neighbor making noise. So it's not it. It's not an object. It's a human being. So it's either him or her. I'm talking to Clement now. Okay. And then it's not what gives. It is what is given. Is given. Dr. Blind, what he does do to give you problem. I believe you have already got the answers already. The answer is what giving him problem or trouble. Let me write the Igbo sentence first. Remember, my I should have dot under. My Igbo keyboard refused to accept I with dot under today. I don't know what is making it to be annoyed. So I take it again. Gini na enye ya. Talking about my neighbor now. Gini na enye ya nsogbu. Gini na enye ya nsogbu. Okay. I go to answer this question now. Okay. Gini na enye ya nsogbu. And the next one is ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. What did I say? Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Let's go there. Let's go there. What did I write? What did I say? Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Nobody has welcomed C for cat to this class. Nobody. That's not fair. Welcome our brother C for cat into this live class. Okay? Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Okay? Ya na nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Good one, good effort. Nake came in first, followed by Princess, followed by C for cat. Okay. Oh, Nake family. Okay. C for cat, welcome. Yeah, thank you for welcoming our new student to class. Appreciate that. Same here, no. Seremu C for cat, no. Nabataya na class, yeah. Okay, Biko Meya. All right, thank you for doing that, Nake. Right, so I got three responses from Nake, Princess, and C for cat. Who else is responding? Not new. I changed my names. Oh, okay. You changed your name. What was your name before? What was your name in the live class before? I don't know. Maybe you remind me. Okay, you just remind me. Let me know whether I know you before. What was your name before? I don't know your name. Is that one? You wrote one. I don't know. Is that your name? One? What is one? No, you're not new. Change name, username. Okay. What was your former username? Let me know if I can remember. Anthony. Okay, Anthony. Okay. Okay, Anthony. If but it's long you came to class, live class. Since we monetize live, you've not been joining us. Maybe you are attending when we had free class or free classes last year. Well, since we began to restrict this to members only, I've not seen Anthony. Okay, so it's assumed you are new invariably. All right, so that's fine, Tony. He and his wife are nsogbu. But come on, Mr. Clement Emehe, you are speaking English? You are combining English with Igbo together. What happened? Pacharanya, be careful. Okay, so let's go. Let me mark now. What do we have? We have Nake came in first. Him and his wife are quarreling. Excellent, excellent. Princess, him and his wife are arguing. Still the same thing. Quarreling, arguing, fighting. It's all of them are SMO. They are all correct. C for cat. Him and his wife are arguing. That's okay. Arguing, quarreling. Accept both of them. Okay. And then Eme has said, he and his wife are nsogbu. I don't understand. You are joining people all the same. You have tried. Okay. Let me write the Igbo version. Yana ya na ese okwu. Okay. Yana nwunye ya na-ese okwu. Him and his wife are quarreling. Now let me challenge your thinking. What would be ordinarily, what would be our response to this? How will you respond to this? When I say yana nwunye ya na-ese okwu, what should be your next sentence or statement, assuming we're having conversation? So what should you say? Give me your thoughts in Igbo. I said, you asked me what is causing the problem, the noise with my neighbors. I now told you, yana nwunye ya na-ese okwu. What should be your response to that? We're having conversation. Let me see your thought pattern. You are talking with Igbo person, okay? We're having conversation. What should you say? Okay. Okay, Nake said, ekpere nakaha, good effort. Let me get your thought pattern. Let me know how good you are to form Igbo sentence. Okay, let me know. I got Nake. I want to challenge all of you to think in Igbo line and think of conversing with somebody. Now you are conversing with me. So what should be your line of thoughts in this regard? Okay. Clement say wahala. Which one is wahala? We are discussing now. We're having conversation. You don't want to think again. You are not. Almost all of you are. Oh, my old students. By now you should be forming sentences with ease. Okay. You are all my old students. Clement, Nake, Princess. You've been in my private class. You'll be here. So by now you should be growing. Don't let me spoon feed you again. Okay. Only C for cat is not too regular. Okay. Okay, Dr. Blind, where are you? What will be a thought pattern? Princess, I'm waiting for you. What should you ask me? What should you say? Anything that comes to your mind as a response to that. Yana munye yana eso. Say something. Princess is in. Gini batara ha neso. Woo! Great. Princess, you are too much. Great. I love more of this. More of this. We are making progress. I want to see you grow. Yeah, good. That's good effort. Princess, gini batara hane soku better. Okay. Gini batara hane. I think it's the same thing you wrote before. I think it's the same thing. Gini batara hane soku. Okay. Not the same thing. Almost the same thing you wrote. I don't know the difference between the two anyway. I'm trying to see the difference. They are the same. Okay. Any other contribution to this? Challenge your brain, challenge your thinking. C for cat. What do you say? Nake is in, Princess is in. How about C for cat? How about Mehe? How about Dr. Blind? Just say something in Igbo. Write something that comes to your mind. Ndo, ọ ga-ekpe ekpere ha na gị. Okay, good one, good one, good one, good one. Okay, now I'm waiting for C for cat and Dr. Blahi, but let me start breaking down your sentences and their meaning. C for cat. Ogini ime ha, good effort, good effort, good effort. I love that. Remaining Dr. Blahi. So let's begin to interpret your sentences. Nake, pe mere makaha. Okay, you are saying pray for them. Is that what you mean? Nake, just type yes so that I can make correction. Pray for them. Is that what you mean? Nake, confirm that before I make my correction. Pray for them. Is that what you wanted to write? Nake, I need to see your yes before I make correction. Be bere makaha. Do you want to say pray for them? Pray for them. Is that what you mean? Nake, I'm waiting for you. Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean? I'm waiting for Nake. Oh. Is it network? Okay. If that is what you mean, what it should be is pere ha ekpere. Pere ha ekpere. This is for Nake. Pray for them. But ekpere makaha is pray about them. Pray about them. But if it is pray for them, that is what I've written now. Pere ha ekpere. I've done Nake. Let me go to Princess. Gini kpatara ha na-ese okwu. Okay. You are right. You are correct. Okay. You can also say in another way can be written as Gini. Princess, I really appreciate your effort. You can as well write it this way. Gini kpatara ha ji ese okwu. Okay. This is another way of writing that thing that Princess wrote. Gini kpatara ha na-ese okwu. It can be written as Gini kpatara ha ji ese okwu. Both are correct. Okay, Princess, well done. We move to next person, Clement. Ndo a ga-ekpere ha na gị. Did you want to say, sorry, we will pray for them? Okay, if that is what you meant, Clement Emehe, it is Ndo. Okay. Anyị ga-ekpe ekpere maka ha. Okay. Which means sorry, we will pray about them. Sorry, we will pray about them. That is for Clement Emehe. C for cat. Ogini meha. Ogini meha. Okay. Ogini imeha. I think you want to say what is happening to them or what is happening to them. Okay. Let me assume that is what you mean. C for cat. If I'm right. Okay. Ogini. Sorry, I told you my I with dot under is not responding. Ogini na emeha. That is what it should be. Ogini na-emeha. What is happening to them? What is happening to them? Okay. I believe I've addressed everybody's response correctly. Any question on what I have written? Any question? I've done correction for everybody. If you're okay with my corrections and you got it right, can you type yes? Can you type yes, 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 yes? If you're okay with my corrections and you got what I explained and the corrections I made, yes, I've already done that. Okay. And you get pere makaha. We'll pray for them. We'll pray about them. Okay. Pray for them. Okay. All right. Yes. C for cat is okay with that. Princess, are you okay? Princess, you got what I said. Nake, did you get what I said? I wrote. Did you get what I wrote correctly? What I mean and the correction I made for you? Please type A. Don't forget to hit the like button for this live class if you think you are gaining something from this class and you are learning with us and you are flowing with us. Don't forget to hit the like button beside my channel. It's important, okay? Do that now as we go on. Right. Okay. Now, the question we asked last time is, what we said last was, ya na nwunye ya na-eso okwu. Okay, and then let me look at the things you wrote. Gịnị kpatara ha ji ese okwu? I'm going to respond to Princess sentence. Gịnị kpatara ha ji ese okwu? Why are they quarreling? Or what is causing their quarrel? Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Clement emeghe mana is but. Maka is for. So what we use is makaha, pray for them or about them. Mana is but. So that is not what to use there. Talking to Clement now. Okay. I've made another sentence. So nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Let's go. Write what I've just said in English. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Let's go there. Who is first? Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Let's go. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. C for cat. Well done. Good one. Let's go. More opinion. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Nye ya ego. That wife said her husband is giving them money. Okay, good effort, Princess. The woman said her husband gave her money. Excellent work. Good work. Good work. Okay, well done. Well done. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Let's go there. That wife said her husband is giving them money. Princess says so. The woman said her husband gave her money. Nake says so. C for cat. Person gave money. I got you. What is Clement Emehe saying about this? What is Botablahi saying about this? Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Let's go. Yes, I am waiting for C for, okay, I'm waiting for Clement. Clement, a minute. Okay. Has Clement written anything? Nothing yet. Let me be writing what I mean, what I said in Igbo. One. Remember, my I has dot under. Okay, Clement is in. Nwaanyị ahụ siri. My siri has S. My R in siri has dot under with two I. Please be mindful of that. I don't know why my Igbo keyboard I is not responding when I'm on live. Nye ya ego. Nwaanyị ahụ siri di ya nye ya ego. Okay, what did Clement say? That girl, remember we're talking about husband and wife fighting. So it can't be girl, it's a woman. So it can't be girl. That girl, siri di ya, it money. Clement, you no go kill me for today's class. So you are doing English, not English. You are writing English, but it's fine. It's better to write something than not to write anything at all. So well done, Mr. Clement. Let's go. C for cat, person gave money. Not really, not close at all. Princess, that wife, said her husband is giving them money. But that wife, it should be that woman. Okay? If I say nwunye ahụ, it will be that wife. But nwanyị ahụ is that woman or the woman. Okay? So, said her husband is giving, not is giving. I say diya, nyeya, not nyeya. If it is nyeya, it will be is giving. But I say nyeya is give. Okay, Nake wrote, the woman, that's better, wanya, said Siri. Past tense of si is Siri. Excellent. Her husband, Dia, correct. Gave her money. That's the only thing you missed there. Nyeya, not nyereya. It's not past tense. Nyeya, give her. So where you wrote gave should have been give. The woman said her husband should give her money. That is the right sentence. The woman said her husband should give her money. That is the full sentence. So, the woman or that woman, okay, said, dear her husband should, okay, give her money. All right. Okay, Biko, where is should? Oh, you are expecting Igbo interpretation to be word for word with the English. It doesn't work that way, my brother. Sometimes it doesn't work word for word like that. So it's not, there's no should there. Should is in English, but the Igbo version does not have should. We don't put should. Okay? But if you want to say, oh, it's supposed to, we can now say, nwaanyị ahụ sịrị na di ya kwesịrị inye ya ego. Kwesịrị, that is supposed to. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's what the princess is writing now. Because if you want to maintain is supposed to, okay, it should be kwesịrị. Kwesịrị. Princess is very correct. It should be kwesịrị. If you want to say kwesịrị inye ya ego. But that's not what I actually mean. I actually mean should give. Let him give him money. Okay? Yes, you can write it using kwesịrị if you want to put kwesịrị. If you want to assume that that should means supposed to, if you give it that interpretation as supposed to, then use kwesịrị inye ya ego. Okay? But when you use kwesịrị, you know that the nyeya itself will change the form. It will no more be nyeya. Okay, it will be inyeya, kwesịrị inyeya. So everything will be, many things will be affected if you want to use the interpretation of should, supposed to give. It will change the form of the sentence entirely. It will be nwaanyị ahụ sịrị, okay, na di ya kwesịrị inye ya ego. See, this is the way you're going to alter the sentence. If you use kwesịrị, look at the way the sentence will go. Nwaanyị ahụ, oh, sorry, there's a typo there. There's a typo there. Sorry about that. I have to remove this one. There's a typo there. I'm going to go back to it. It will be nwaanyị ahụ, okay, sịrị na di ya kwesịrị inye ya ego. So the sentence form will be altered entirely if you use kwesịrị for it. It will be nwaanyị ahụ sịrị na di ya kwesịrị inye ya ego. You can see how it changed it changed the form of the sentence entirely. But what I said before, nwanyị ahụ sịrị, okay, di ya nye ya ego. This is what I said. Nwanyị ahụ sịrị di ya nye ya ego. Simply, the woman asked her husband to give her money. That's what I said. The woman asked her husband to give her money. That is exactly what I said. Nwanyị ahụ sịrị di ya nye ya ego. The woman asked her husband to give her. But when, okay, the woman said the husband should give her money. The woman said the husband should give her money. That is what I meant. But when you want to use supposed to, it changes the form of the Igbo sentence to. Nwanyị ahụ sịrị na di ya kwesịrị inye ya ego. You can see the difference between the two. Did you guys get what I mean? Is it clear to everybody? These two distinctions I've made. Is it okay? Did you understand that, Princess Nake? Did you get that? Please, I want your response. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting for your response. Did you get what I explained? The distinction between the two sentences. Supposed to and ordinary should. Okay. Okay. Should give me money. All right. That's fine. Go on, Princess. I need your response on that. Okay. Okay. Now let me go on. I think this should be the last sentence. Mana. Dia. Okay. Dr. Blahi, we have already mentioned it that kwesiri means should, or supposed to. Actually, kwesiri is supposed to. Okay. We have said that already. Kwesiri means supposed to. Okay, Dr. Blahi, I think we have already mentioned that. I want to put it in parentheses. Supposed to. Okay. Dr. Blahi, I believe you see that. Okay. Okay, I hope that is clear. I make the next sentence, which is supposed to be the last sentence for today. Mana. Mana. Okay, maybe one more. Mana. Dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Mana. Dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Let's go there. That is what is causing the quarrel now. Mana. Dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Let's go. Mana. Dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Mana. Dia enweghị nnukwu ego. I got response from Nnake. I got from Princess. Where is C for cat? Where is Clement? Great ones. Where is C for cat? Where is Dr. Blahi? Mana dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Mana dia enweghị nnukwu ego. C for cat. That's good. Clement, we are waiting for you. Okay, Clement is in already. What about Dr. Blahi? Dr. Blahi is in. All right, let's mark the script. Mana dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Let me write the Igbo version before I mark. Mana dia enweghị nnukwu ego. For Nigeria now, nobody have that kind of money. Mana dia enweghị nnukwu ego. Let's mark. First is Nnake, but her husband does not have much money. Correct? Princess, but her husband does not have big money. Better. Okay? Much, bigger money. Okay? Whatever. Clement, but her husband does not have much, big money. Correct. Clement, first time you're getting perfect sentence today. Bravo. You see, okay? C for cat, but her husband doesn't have enough money. It's not really enough. It's big. Nuku is big. Enough is different from nuku. Okay? Enough, they have different meanings. Okay? If it is enough, it will be D-E-N-W-E ego zuru. Okay? Okay? Ego zuru or gezu. Okay? Ego zuru, okay, is enough. Enough. I hope I'm getting the enough correctly in English. Enough money. Okay. Ego zuru, okay. Enough money. So it's different from big money. Nnukwu ego. Okay. So almost all of you got this right, Dr. Blahi, but he has no money. Not that he doesn't have. He has, but the money he has is not big enough. Big money, nnukwu ego. He has money, but the wife is expecting much. Okay, especially this period that everything is expensive. Men that doesn't have enough income, they are in trouble this time around in Nigeria. Quarrel everywhere. Okay, I hope it will get better very soon. Okay, one more. Final one. Okay. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Last sentence today. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Let's go. Shoot. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Who shoots first? Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Who is shooting first? Princess is shooting first. Okay, followed by C for cat. Okay. Naka is in third position. Yes. Where is Semehe? Where is Dr. Blahi? Let's go there. Clement is here. His wife should help him. Give him a hand, of course. That's it. You guys are too much. His wife should help him. Princess, correct. C for cat, his wife should give him a helping hand, correct. Okay, Nake, his wife should please hit the like button beside my channel name. And not only that, show us some love. Give me your emoji, give me your flowers, give me your thumbs up. Okay, give me your anything you want to give. If you want to appreciate today's class, thumbs up is good, the flowers is good, whatever you can give. Super chat is also good, or super stickers, whatever, as we'll round up. If you know you've learned something today, show appreciation, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, send your emoji. As we round up today, I want to thank all of you that came to class today. It's been a nice class, very interactive one. We all contributed, but I must tell you, it was not easy. The actual class I scheduled began to mess up as usual, so I have to shut it down and begin a new class entirely, and thank God I did that, and that actually helped. Wow. C for cat, thank you for your super sticker. Appreciate. God bless you. Everybody, can you write the sentence? Okay, the last sentence, I didn't write it. Okay, I need to. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. That's the last sentence we had. Nwunye ya kwesịrị inyere ya aka. Update your record for that. All right. So I thank everybody. I have not gotten your thumbs up, your emoji. Wow, Princess Ezenwa, that's great. Thank you for your love. Thank you, C for Cats, for your love and support as always. Princess, you're never tired of giving. God bless you. God will not be tired of blessing you too. Who else is here? You've been very mango. We are running up our class and you're coming. You forgot our time. Now, what for you, Sherry Mango? I was expecting you when class started. I mentioned your name. I didn't see you. You're going to rewatch it. I hope so. You're going to rewatch. Okay? Because we are closing class already. So thank you guys for all you do, your thumbs up, your appreciation, your everything. Your being here today. The class cannot hold without you being here. So you are the one that is the reason why I'm here. If you are not there, I'm not here. So Chukwu gọzie unu niile ka ọ dị izuụka ọzọ till next week. Ka emesịa. Daalụ.